Happy morning, dear children. How are you all? Are you all happy? I hope that you have enjoyed your vacation and you have also taken a good care of your health. So, do you remember who I am? Do you remember? Tell me. I can't hear you. Yes, I am your Neha ma'am, and together we will learn social studies. So, are you ready? Fine. Let us start with our lesson 1. India, our country. Part 1. Dear children, we live in India. It is a very beautiful country, right? And we love our country. Hannah? That's great. So, dear children, we will be going point-wise in this lesson. The very first point is location of India. Where is India located? Do you know it? Let us see. So, India is located in the continent named Asia. Okay, and एशिया में वो कहाँ लोकेटेड है? टेल मी. इट इज लोकेटेड इन दी सदर्न एशिया. सो विल यू मार्क इट विथ मी? इन दी कॉन्टिनेंट नेम्ड एशिया, इंडिया इज लोकेटेड इन दी सदर्न पार्ट. कैन यू सी दिस? ओके, सो इज इट क्लियर टू यू ऑल? The location of India is in the continent named Asia and it lies in the southern part of Asia. Fine. Next point. Area covered. India, as we all know, it is a very huge, very large country, right? So we will see कि वो एशिया का कितना portion cover करती है. The area covered by India. So, from the direction east to west, India covers 3,214 kilometers. Is it clear? Mark this location in your textbook. Then, from the direction north to south, India covers 2,933 kilometers. Is it clear? Dear children, make a note of it and watch this video very carefully. Okay? And third point, India is the 7th largest country in the world. 7th largest country in the world. So, make a note of it as well. Point number 4. Neighbors of India. Dear children, what are neighbors? Neighbors कौन होते हैं? Who all are our neighbors? हमारे घर के जो पास सब रहते हैं, they all are known as our neighbors, right? So, India के पास भी neighbors हैं. See over here. This is India. The neighboring countries are Bhutan, Nepal, then Afghanistan, Pakistan, Maldives and Sri Lanka. Dear children, make a note of this that Bangladesh and China are also the neighboring countries of India. And apart from this, Sri Lanka and Maldives are island neighbors of India. Okay, dear children, what are islands? It is a huge piece of land which is surrounded by water. Is it clear? Good. Let us move further. Physical features of India. India is very beautiful because it has mountains, plains, plateaus, forests, rivers, seas and ocean. It also has desert and coastline. हमारे physical features में इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं and all these things do make our country beautiful. Mountains, plains and plateaus. See over here, there are plateaus, there are different mountains. We have the great Himalayas over here. And then what are plainlands? They are the flat surfaces of the land. What are plains? See over here. We have the meaning of each and every word over here. So you can underline the word in your textbook and you can write the meaning above it. Plains means flat area. Plateaus means raised grounds. Okay. Forest. Let us see some famous or the popular forests. Sundarbans in West Bengal, Nilgiri Forest, South India, Gir Forest, Gujarat. You might have visited Gir Forest. It is very beautiful, right? Then we have rivers, sea, oceans. See, so many rivers are here. Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi, right? We do have Arabian Sea, the Great Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. ये सारी rivers को बहुत holy माना जाता है and these all rivers, sea and oceans make our country very beautiful. Then what else do we have? Desert. We have the great Thar desert in Rajasthan and ये बहुत ज़्यादा popular है. So make a note of all these points. Then coastline and peninsula. What are coastlines and peninsula? Coastline, shoreline or borderline near seas and oceans. Let me mark it for you. Over here, it starts from here. All the areas which are near to the seas and oceans, they are known as coastlines. You can also call it kinara. Then peninsula, land surrounded by water on three sides. Very important. Land which is surrounded by water from three sides. See over here, side number 1. Then this is side number 2, right? And this is the third side. So this whole portion is known as peninsula. Is it clear to you all? Let's move further and see what do we have. So what we learned today, आज हमने क्या पढ़ा? We learned about location of India. Area covered by India, neighbors of India, physical features, and it's time for your let's check. I will give you some questions, you will write those answers and you will send me a photo shot. Is it clear? Let's see the questions. What is coastline? You will write the meaning of coastline. Which forest is located in Gujarat? Think and answer. You know it. You might have also visited the forest. State any two neighboring countries of India. India के दो neighboring countries आपको यहाँ पे list करने हैं, state करने हैं. Dear children, I hope you all are pretty clear with our today's topic. If you have any doubt, you can call me and you will soon send me the photo shot of your Let's Check. I will see you next time with the fresh topic of this lesson. Till then, go through your textbook, read it well, make a note of each and every point. Bye dear children. God bless you all.